Hello, once more, good morning to all, and I think time is 7:30 a.m. and before that, so once again, welcome back again. And if you have not subscribed, please why don't you subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you may get the notification every time I upload a new video. And yes, if you have subscribed, thank you, and keep watching, keep supporting. Yes, it's 7:30 a.m. and I am out here beside the river here. It's a river bank. So we will do some workouts. I thought let us do some as my morning workout. I will do my morning workout here. Very simple things, and you can utilize this when you are away from gym, when you are away even from home. For example, those who are away in the quarantine centers, like away from home, so you can just follow some simple tricks, some simple workouts to keep yourself healthy and strong, fit. Okay, I'm not once more I'm telling you, I'm not a professional trainer, or I'm not a professional whatever, but I'm just suggesting you, I'm just trying to show you some exercises. I'm just trying to give you some tips how to keep yourself healthy even away from home. So let's go. So first of all, I will do some running, and that's for warm up. Okay. Next we'll go to jumping on the spot, as we can jump and touch our knee and touch our toe. And this is how we warm up. Okay, this is how I warm up, so I also suggest you do the same. You don't have to occupy a lot of space. Okay, let's go. When you jump, first you touch the knee. So next will be normal push-ups. Okay, I'll be just doing 20 push-ups. Just 20 push-ups, that is just sufficient for the beginning. Okay, so we can like 20 push-ups, and I will take for now I will just take only 4 reps. Okay, so you can also 20 push-ups and 4 reps, like you can take rest for 30 seconds, or okay, and do again. Otherwise you can even push up 1 rep, then 30 seconds and another exercise again and push up. That is it depends on you. we can do as many reps repetitions as we want. I'm just trying to show you. So simple thing, we just have to find something that has weight. We can use for both, for tricep, for bicep, and even for abs, and smaller one. So we can do this for single hand. We can use this as dumbbell. So make yourself comfortable and start.